Wala kayo, may anime cafe sa MBK Mall. This is giving Japan vibes talaga. Bangkok is, or the Siam area in Bangkok is giving Japan vibes. Either Shibuya or Akihabara, yung mga baby boys. Damn. At paano mag-selfie tayo? The body pillow? Well, yes. All the BLs. We're in Bangkok. Of course, there's gonna be boys love. Only in Thailand. BL store. We all know I'm bad at escape rooms. Pag kinulong ako dyan, GG, hindi na ako lalabas. No more YouTube videos. Wow. MBK Mall has got to be the nerdiest mall. By nerdiest, I mean I'm at home in this mall. They have gadgets, games, entertainment. Magustuhan ni Stephen yan mga ganyan.